Welcome back. Let's check in once again with our chief meteorologist, Dan Cianca. Hey, Dan, how's it looking on this Sunday?
Well, if you like warm weather, you're going to love this week. We finally have a real extended taste of local summer, Indian summer, whatever you want to call it. Warmer weather for an extended period of time. Looks like it's going to take shape this week.
Love to hear that.
We just had to, give up a Saturday of cold and raininess to get there. So
quite a bit of a roller coaster this weekend.
For sure. Let's take a look at our sunset from Salinas tonight. Mostly clear skies here. It was an interesting day. We did have some rain in some areas, mostly in the mountains of San Benito County. Other areas did get a few sprinkles this morning as well. We got over 1/10 of an inch in New Idri and the Hernandez Valley. Marina got a 100th of an inch today, so we did get a little moisture near the coast, but today was a recovery day from our cool day yesterday as we saw temperatures head upward, but we're still below normal. San Martin, our hot spot today at 77. Hollister just down the road at 75. Salinas was also in the 70s, just barely, and most other cities around the Bay stayed in the 60s today. So it was cool along the coast and actually cool for this time inland, for this time of year, I should say, inland as well. Now, the bigger picture reveals we do have this big area of low pressure. It is moving off and away from us, and it will be replaced by this ridge that's building in from the west. Now, it's actually going to head to the north of us in the coming days, so what we will see is this clockwise flow around the ridge, eventually bringing us, first of all, northerly flow, but eventually almost northeasterly flow, and that is offshore flow for us. Now, the flow itself will be above us in the low levels. We're still going to see a light onshore breeze most every day, but our morning winds, which are typically offshore, we typically go through a cycle where our morning winds are offshore, afternoon winds are onshore. Our morning winds will help allow significant warning toward the coast in the early portions of the days, and then we'll get a little sea breeze to keep us moderate, but temperatures will probably be about 10 degrees above normal for most of the week. This ridge is still just going to be sitting off to our north Thursday, Friday, maybe strengthening over us as we head into Friday and Saturday. Eventually, it looks like things will start to cool down out of the weekend, but heading there, it's going to be on the warm side. So let's get you there on Featurecast. We have partly cloudy skies out there tonight, and that's about the way we're going to stay. We'll see patchy low clouds. Some of that could manifest in the form of some fog, patchiness around the bay and into some of the interior valleys. So watch out for areas of reduced visibility tomorrow morning. Now, we will actually have onshore flow tomorrow, and it will be breezy at times on the coast. So tomorrow will not be a warm offshore day for coastal cities, especially on the south and east sides of the bay, where you'll see these west-northwesterly winds coming in at 10 to 15 miles per hour throughout the day, during the afternoon especially. And along them, we'll have some cloud cover, and that will continue to carry some cool air ashore. So it's not necessarily going to be a warm day on the peninsula or on the east shore of the bay, but we'll start to warm up in Santa Cruz tomorrow. And most inland areas are going to see a jump in temperature of 3 to 5 degrees tomorrow as the air mass begins to warm over us. So here's a look at my temperature forecast tomorrow. Again, we're going to start to warm up inland and in the hills on the coast. Temperatures will be pretty close to what we had today with a few exceptions. Santa Cruz, you're warmer tomorrow at 71. We're going to stay in the upper 60s in Capitola, and Boulder Creek, upper 70s tomorrow. Scotts Valley, low 70s tomorrow. So nice conditions across the Santa Cruz Mountains. On the east shore of the bay, still in the 60s in Marina, Castroville, and Aptos, barely touching 70 in Wattsville. Even Prunedale staying in the 60s tomorrow, but we'll hit the low 70s in Salinas, mid 70s in Hollister, and closing in on the 80-degree mark in the Santa Clara Valley. Monterey Peninsula, one area that's not going to see a bump in temperatures. You should see highs pretty similar to what we had today with mid 60s, maybe upper 60s in some instances. But then farther south, we'll start to warm things back up again. Bradley was only 76 today. You're going to be 82 tomorrow. So you're jumping up there. 80 at the San Antonio Valley, and King City tomorrow, 78. Pretty nice conditions. So here is that 7-day forecast, and you're going to see the warm up. We're going to jump about 5 degrees a day or so Tuesday and Wednesday. And we'll see highs about 10 degrees above normal for the rest of the week after that. Mostly sunny skies. Can't rule out a little fog in the mornings, but the afternoons will be sunny. We'll have some high cloud cover and maybe a few low clouds return this weekend. But right now, as we head into the weekend with the air show, looking pretty nice in Salinas, pretty warm. And as we look at our inland areas, you'll see those temperatures head upward as well Tuesday and Wednesday in the 80s and back into the 90s on average Thursday, Friday. Now, if we have any one of these particular days where the offshore flow seems to strengthen at all, which is possible, we could see a significant warm up on the coast too. We may see those temperatures jump another 5 to 10 degrees. We'll watch out for those smaller scale events in the coming days. So make sure to stay tuned to the forecast. Back to you.